In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. If you want to send photos using not only popular communication apps like WhatsApp or Messenger, but also default messages app of your Sony, here's how to do it. Don't worry, I tested it before on this and other Android devices, so I can tell you right now it will work. Just open Messages, pick a chat or create a new one, and click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now to take a photo and add it, select photo here, pick your camera, and when you finished, just snap it. It will be automatically added to your message. If you want to pick a photo that